Well, we're going to see what happens when we have to change the tire on a rim that's Plasti dipped. See if it holds up. Stay tuned. Well, YouTube, new tires are on. So there was a considerable amount of damage around the rim, even where they took the lugs out. What I did is I took some nail polish remover and I just kind of, where it was pulling back, just kind of leveled it out and made it nice and smooth here so there's no parts sticking up. And I'm going to clean them with some Windex. The reason I'm using alcohol is because it'll evaporate faster than water. And if this wind stops, I'm going to retouch them rather than redo the whole rim right now, because to be honest, doesn't look like I got time. Not calling for rain, but that's what's happening. Holla. Well, YouTube's touch-up didn't work. Decided to bag her up and just respray the whole thing. Did a few touch-ups, but you could see where it was peeled and sprayed over, so God don't like ugly. There she is, all resprayed. So, in case anybody out there is wondering if you can change a tire on a Plasti dip rim without wrecking it, you can't. I gotta say though, this was only curing for about 2 days before I went and got the tire changed. So maybe if you let the Plasti dip cure a little longer, you might be able to, but as per my experiences, no doubt.